Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. How are you? How are you doing, everybody? Wherever you are, wherever you're watching me from, please. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you for watching, sharing and subscribing. Please continue subscribing and sharing, and I'll be so happy. So today's video, my people, we are going to make vegetable rice. Today is all about vegetable rice. Guys, please join. Let's cook. Let's enjoy the video, and please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, please, and let us grow together. So you're welcome. So this is my rice, as you can see, and I have soaked it for 20 minutes. To reduce the starch in your rice, you have to soak it for some minutes before you cook it. So mine here, I soaked it like 20 minutes, and then right there, as you see, I was washing it, draining water, because it's time now to start our cooking. So I have my chopped carrots. I have my chopped green peas plus. So here we have our pot that we are going to use to cook our vegetable rice. First, you have to add oil. Have to put enough oil. When I mean enough oil, you have to put enough oil for you to enjoy yummy rice, to have that aroma rice, to have that aroma recipe. You have to spend in oil. As you can see there, mine is over, but I'm trying as much as I can to have enough oil there, and then I start my frying. So you put enough oil. It was cold, so when the weather is cold, the oil normally change into solid, but we are good now. So you put your oil, and then you add onions. If you are the lover of onions, you can use onions, and here we don't use tomatoes. My people, we don't use tomatoes. So leave your oil to cook. Leave your oil to be hot, not that much hot, but just enough for the lighter of onions. And then onions, then you add natural vegetables, then the rice again, mix, add water, cover, and then you're going to cook it for 30 or 40 minutes, and then you're going to cook. So let's do this as enjoy. So there is my cumin seeds. You can rate how these cumin seeds put aroma in your food, guys. Please try and use cumin seeds in your rice, especially in your rice, and you'll eat your rice every day. Eat rice every day. And this is our chopped carrots. Add them there. Our chopped carrots. This is chopped carrots. And then here we have our mixed peas. We have peas there. French beans. We need French beans with peas, something like that. And there is our mixture, very colorful. Even the camera is not doing the justice, guys. Very, very colorful. And remember, I boiled my peas for only 10 minutes, just like steaming for 10 minutes. It was like steaming for 10 minutes, but you can use them without boiling them first. Now it's time to add our rice. And remember, if you want to reduce the starch in your rice, you have to soak your rice first for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you have soaked your rice to remove that water. That's how you reduce the starch in your rice. So reduce your starch in your rice. Now mix everything very well. Make sure everything is mixed very, very well. Oil, salt, well put. Everything well balanced. And then mix it. Mix your food very well. Just so colorful. They are so colorful. There is our rice. This is after 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes. And there we have our rice. Looking so yummy. The aroma is aroming. Well cooked. And it is 1-1. You see, guys. If you soak your rice, it will come out like this. Trust me. If you soak your rice, it will come out like this. Try one day, soak your rice for 20 minutes before cooking. And then cook it. Make sure you balance everything. The salt, especially cooking oil. Put enough cooking oil. And you'll be so happy to know the secret. Soak and then use enough cooking oil. Mine is 1-1, guys, and the aroma that is coming out of this recipe, it was so amazing. It is amazing. So there we have our vegetable rice. So let me serve a plate. Let me serve a plate, and then you have to see it now. I love it. I love it. I love the recipe. I love it. I'll do this again and again. I can take this with meat, fried meat, with soup, or fried red meat and red meat. You can take this with white meat chicken. You can take this with chicken or with fried fish. You can take this with fried fish. You try it and come and tell me. So let me serve a plate and then you'll see. So here is my 2 plates. Here we have served like 5-star hotel. Like a 5-star hotel. And here we have served like normal mwananchi wa kawaida. Normal Kenyan. Normal person. You see, that rice is 1-1, my people. Please try this recipe, please, 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 please. The recipe was so yummy. The rice was so, and you can eat the way it is. You see the way it is, you can eat it like that. You can have it like that. With a cold drink somewhere, or you take this, you rest a little bit, and then you take your tea. You'll be good to go. You will be good to go. So yummy. So yummy. So thank you so much, my people, for watching. Please go to YouTube, search It's Akaliche Vlogs. You'll find me there. Like, share, subscribe, please. Watch my videos, and I'll be so grateful. So bye. May God protect you, guide you, and provide for you. Bye. See you in the next video.